two blocks A and B of masses 3 kilograms and 5 kilograms, 3 kilograms and 5 kilograms, lie on a rough horizontal table. Rough, that means we're going to have friction, connected by a rigid rod. A force of P newtons is applied to A in the direction of BA. So there's a force applied here. Draw the force diagrams acting on blocks A and B what is the net force acting on the system. So if we consider block A, so we draw block A, so we've got the original force P newtons, then we've got the weight acting downwards, which is going to be 3G, and the reaction to that, which is going to be R1 newtons. And we've got T, tension in the metal rod here, T newtons. And also, because the table's rough, we can also have a frictional force, which we're going to call F1 newtons. Now, if we consider block B, so here's block B, so here we're going to have the weight acting downward, which is 5G, and the reactional force, which is R2 newtons. And we've got the same tension here, tension T newtons here. And we also have a different frictional force here, which is F2 newtons. Okay, B. If we, we've got the frictional force and the frictional force there. And we've got F1N there and F2N here. Now if we consider the whole thing, the horizontal forces only, we will have that the resultant force will be Pn newtons. If we take away the frictional force there, so F1 and the frictional force there, F2, these two here will cancel each other out, then that's going to be the resultant force. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the resultant force when two bodies are joined together by a rod. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.